Hi, I'm Janina, and this is Janinigans. Today I am doing something a little bit different. I'm unboxing pencils, which sounds kind of lame, but I'm really excited about these. This audition pack includes the famous Blackwing 602 pencil, which was discontinued in 1998. People were really sad about it and were buying them on eBay because they were so loved. John Steinbeck used to use these to write his novels. Palomino acquired the copyright to make these pencils in 2012, and they've tried to be as true to the original as possible. I found out about them because I saw a documentary on YouTube from the Wall Street Journal. I'll link it below. It's really interesting history. This audition pack cost $15, but with shipping and tax, it was around $20, so about $5 a pencil. Pencil enthusiasts don't really think these are the same as the original, at least that seems to be the consensus. But this is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna test. I think it's really cool that they've tried to make them as close to the original as possible. I can already smell the pencil. All right, pop them open. Fanciest pencils I've ever bought. Explore our 4 graphites, each with its own unique feel. These would last me a really long time. I don't use pencils that much, so the audition pack might get me through the rest of my life, possibly. All right, we've got Bold, Warm, Intense. That's the black one. Don't know if there's a good way to pop these out. All right, we've got the Blackwing Soft Graphite Matte, Bold, Warm, Intense. Look at that ferrule. That is so pretty. It just seems really satisfying to erase like that. You can replace the eraser. So there's a little mechanism here that helps you pop it out. Balanced Graphite Pearl. Even, blended, deliberate. This is the 602. This is what all the buzz is about right here. Ooh, this one's natural wood. It's really pretty. This is extra firm graphite. Clean, precise, technical. Let's get these sharpened and try them out. Ooh. I went as far as to look up what is like the optimal paper people like, and that was a whole nother rabbit hole. So I'm just gonna try basic printer paper, and then I've got a nice notebook that is Bife, made in Italy. These are pretty expensive, so this is a good quality paper. I mean, as far as pencils go, that's quite an enjoyable experience. That one's not my favorite. Let's try the 602. That's weirdly, it feels like to me like that one's between these two, but it's not, so I guess I don't know anything. Ooh, least favorite. I love the first one, the soft graphite. I want my pencil to melt like butter into the paper, and that's what it does. I don't think they look too different. Now, for funsies, Dixon Ticonderoga. Ooh, ooh, straight up garbage after experiencing the luxury of these pens. Oh, God.
Ticonderoga is a great pencil brand.
What?
Yeah, that's like a leading pencil brand.
Let's try it in here. Oh, this makes me want to write a novel. I hate the extra firm. It's interesting that this pencil that I have is labeled soft because between this pencil and their extra firm, this is a softer pencil. But definitely the soft graphite all the way. This is everything I look for in a pencil. I definitely enjoyed writing on this paper a lot more than the printer paper, and this is a thinner paper for sure, but the soft graphite writes really nice on both of them. I'm gonna erase each pencil writing with the corresponding eraser. I'm not sure if it makes a difference, but might as well. Not really taking it all off. Oh, it smears. It erased more, but it erased it more smeary.
Yeah, that's left a lot. That's more like you just lightened the words. It's definitely not gone.
All right, I'm gonna try the printer paper next. Yeah, same thing. That's like the whole selling point on these is the eraser shape. So if the erasers don't erase.
Well, the shape keeps it from rolling around. Isn't that the deal?
Oh no, I dropped my pencil. Oh, good, didn't roll off the table. Yep, worth all the money just to not roll off the table. All right, let's see if I can figure out how to remove. Oh, that's easy. There's these little flanges and you just really easily pull on them. Oh, I wonder if you can keep raising it. Yes, okay. There's a lot of eraser there. So you can just keep pulling it up. That's cool. All right, let's do a break test. It's kind of hard to break, to be honest. I mean, it's soft graphite. Of course, it's going to break easily. Ooh, it broke the wood. I hate when it breaks the wood. I mean, they're all kind of similar. I'm curious what you think, being someone who doesn't like pencils.
They all feel like pencils, honestly. Didn't really care for any of them.
I do really like this one. I love the idea that we're connecting with the history of things, and knowing that these were around in the 1930s or something similar to it, I think is just really awesome. So it's kind of a nice homage to the history of pencils. I guess I was expecting to be blown away a little bit more, but that being said, maybe because I don't use pencils that much, in 10 years from now, when these are but stumps, if the company's still around, maybe I would buy a box of the soft graphite. I hope you enjoyed this pencil unboxing. Curious to see if you are a connoisseur of pencils and what is your favorite. If so, let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you next week.